Have you ever wondered what quiet habits might be silently stealing years from your life after 60 without you even noticing? Most seniors believe it's the big things like major illness or accidents, but in reality, it's often small, daily choices that do the most damage. What if a simple shift in routine could add vibrant, healthy years to your life? In this video, we're uncovering 5 subtle habits that could be quietly shortening your life after 60 and exactly how to break them before it's too late. You might be surprised by number 3, so don't miss out on these life-changing tips. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you live longer, healthier, and happier. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Sitting too much, the silent ager. Have you ever heard the saying, if you don't use it, you lose it? This couldn't be more true as we age, especially when it comes to movement. After the age of 60, many of us naturally slow down. We rest more, sit longer, and spend more time in front of the television, reading, or using devices. It feels harmless. In fact, it feels deserved after all. Haven't we earned the right to relax? But what if I told you that too much sitting could quietly be shortening your life? Yes, you heard that right. Sitting for long hours may seem comfortable, but it can slowly damage your health without you even noticing. It's often called the silent ager because the effects are not immediate. They build over time, week by week, month by month. When we sit too much, our blood circulation slows down. Our muscles become weak, especially in the legs and lower back. This can lead to joint pain, poor balance, and eventually an increased risk of falls. It can also affect your heart and lungs. In fact, studies show that people who sit for more than 7 to 8 hours a day are more likely to develop heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. But here's the good news: you don't need to run marathons or join a gym to fix this. A few small, joyful changes in your daily life can make a huge difference. Let's start with one simple step: get up and move every 30 minutes. Even just walking around the room or stretching your arms and legs can wake up your body. Place a gentle alarm or reminder on your phone or watch. When it goes off, just stand up, breathe deeply, and take a few steps. It might feel small, but these short movements protect your heart, keep your joints healthy, and even improve your mood. Another fun idea? Turn TV time into active time. Try standing during commercial breaks, walking in place, or doing gentle arm circles while watching your favorite shows. You don't have to miss a single scene, you're just making your time work for you. Don't forget the power of daily walks. A 10-minute walk in the morning or evening can do wonders for your body. It helps with digestion, sleep, and even sharpens your memory. Plus, you get fresh air and a little sunshine. Add in a friend or a neighbor, and it becomes something to look forward to. Need a little extra motivation? Try a step counter or a movement app designed for seniors. Many of them are easy to use and can track your daily movement gently and encouragingly. Some even cheer you on when you reach your goals, and remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Start small. One movement at a time. One walk at a time. The key is to be consistent. Make movement a joyful part of your life, not a chore. In closing, sitting may feel safe and peaceful, but too much of it can slowly steal your strength, energy, and even years from your life. So today, take the first step. Stand, stretch, and smile. Your body will thank you, and your future self will be grateful. Lesson 2. Ignoring sleep quality, more than just rest. Do you often wake up tired, even after a full night in bed? Or do you find yourself tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling in the dark? If you're over 60, you're not alone. Many seniors struggle with sleep, but here's something you might not know. Poor sleep is more than just annoying, it can quietly shorten your life. Yes, sleep is not just about closing your eyes and resting. It's when your body heals, your brain recharges, and your heart takes a break. Without good quality sleep, your health suffers little by little. You may feel more forgetful, more anxious, or more tired than usual. Over time, this can lead to serious problems like high blood pressure, diabetes, depression, and even heart disease. The problem is, many people accept poor sleep as just part of getting older. But it doesn't have to be that way. You can improve your sleep and protect your health with just a few small changes. Let's talk about how. First, let's understand what quality sleep means. It's not just about hours, it's about how deeply and peacefully you sleep. 7 to 8 hours is ideal, but if you're waking up often or feel groggy in the morning, something needs to change. One of the easiest fixes? Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body loves routine. Over time, this trains your internal clock and makes it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Next, pay attention to your bedroom. Is it too noisy? Too bright? Too hot or cold? These small things can disturb your sleep without you even realizing it. Try adding blackout curtains, using a fan for white noise, or adjusting the room temperature. A comfortable, quiet bedroom is key. Also, limit screen time before bed. The light from phones, tablets, and TVs can confuse your brain and stop it from producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. Instead, try reading a calming book, listening to soft music, or practicing gentle breathing exercises. You'll fall asleep more naturally and feel more refreshed. Watch what you eat and drink in the evening too. Avoid heavy meals late at night. Cut back on caffeine after noon, and be careful with sugary snacks before bedtime. If you feel hungry, go for something light and sleep-friendly like a banana or a small bowl of warm milk. And don't forget about movement. A little exercise during the day, even just a walk, can help you sleep better at night. Just avoid intense workouts right before bed. If you're still struggling, there are gentle, natural options to help you sleep better. Herbal teas like chamomile, lavender oils, or melatonin supplements, recommended by your doctor, can support restful nights. Also, senior-friendly sleep aids like weighted blankets or calming sleep music apps can make a big difference. The most important thing to remember is this: you deserve deep, healing sleep at every age. Don't ignore the signs. Poor sleep is not normal, and it's never too late to change it. So tonight, take a moment to create a bedtime routine you love. Turn off the screens, dim the lights, sip a warm drink, and ease into rest. Your body, your heart, and your mind will thank you. With better sleep, you'll wake up not just rested, but truly alive. Lesson 3. Skipping social interaction, the hidden killer. As we grow older, it's natural for our social circles to shrink. Friends move away, families get busy, and life becomes quieter. At first, this quiet may feel peaceful. A little alone time can be relaxing. But when being alone becomes a habit, it can start to affect your health in ways you might not expect. Did you know that loneliness can be just as harmful to your health as smoking 15 cigarettes a day? That's what many experts now say. Loneliness doesn't just make you feel sad, it affects your heart, your brain, and even your immune system. It's one of the hidden dangers many seniors face after 60. But here's the beautiful truth: you don't have to feel lonely. Even if you live alone, social interaction doesn't always mean big parties or loud gatherings. It can be small, meaningful moments like a chat with a neighbor, a call to an old friend, or even a friendly talk with someone at the park or store. Let's first understand why social connection is so powerful. When we talk, laugh, or simply share time with someone, our brain releases feel-good chemicals like oxytocin and serotonin. These lower stress, boost immunity, and help improve memory. You feel more alive, more energetic, and more positive. It's like medicine for the mind and body, but completely natural. So why do many people stop socializing after 60? There are many reasons. Some feel shy, others believe they're too old to start something new. Some worry they might be a burden. But the truth is, you are never too old to connect, to be heard, or to share joy. People want to hear your stories, your laughter, and your wisdom. If you've been staying quiet or isolated, it's never too late to take the first step. Start small. You could call a friend you haven't spoken to in a while. Or invite someone over for tea. Join a local walking group or community center. Many neighborhoods now offer special clubs or hobby classes just for seniors: painting, gardening, music, even gentle yoga. These places are full of people just like you, looking to reconnect and build friendships. Don't feel comfortable going out yet? No problem. Technology can help. Video calls, voice messages, and even online communities can bring connection into your life. Many apps today are designed especially for seniors, with easy buttons and friendly features. And there's always the good old telephone, it still works wonders. Volunteering is another amazing way to connect. Whether you help at a local shelter, library, or school, you're not just giving, you're receiving. You'll meet new people, gain a sense of purpose, and feel appreciated. That warm feeling can last all day. Most importantly, be kind to yourself. If you've been lonely, don't feel guilty. Many people have been there. What matters is that you're choosing to take steps now to change it. Let's remember, being social doesn't mean being loud or outgoing, it means being present. It means listening, sharing, and simply being part of something. Even a short conversation can lift your mood and brighten someone else's day, so don't let silence steal your spirit. Reach out. Reconnect. Rejoin the world in your own way. Because your voice matters, your smile matters, and you deserve to feel included, loved, and full of life every single day. Lesson 4. Neglecting fresh nutrition, the slow decline. Food is more than just fuel. It's comfort, tradition, and joy. But after the age of 60, the food we eat plays an even more important role, it becomes our medicine. Sadly, many older adults begin to ignore proper nutrition. Meals become simple, repetitive, or overly processed. Some skip meals altogether, thinking it won't matter much anymore. But here's the truth, poor nutrition can quietly weaken your body, your mind, and your quality of life. It happens slowly. You may feel a little more tired than usual. Your skin looks pale. You catch colds more often. Your memory becomes foggy, and your bones ache more than they used to. Often, people blame these changes on age. But in many cases, they're actually caused by what's missing on your plate. As we age, our bodies need fewer calories, but more nutrients. That means every bite matters. You may not feel as hungry, but you still need vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber to keep your body strong and your mind sharp. So how can you improve your nutrition without making it a burden? Let's make it simple and joyful. Start by adding color to your plate. Bright vegetables like carrots, spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes are packed with nutrients that fight disease, boost your immune system, and even help protect your eyesight. Fruits like berries, oranges, bananas, and apples bring sweetness along with fiber and antioxidants. Try to fill half your plate with colorful plant foods. They don't just look good, they do good. Next, focus on lean protein. Our muscles naturally shrink as we get older, but we can slow that down with good protein. You don't need a steak every day. Simple options like eggs, beans, lentils, yogurt, chicken, tofu, and fish are easy to prepare and gentle on the stomach. Protein helps your body heal, keeps you strong, and balances your blood sugar. Don't forget whole grains like brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread. These give you energy that lasts, and they keep your digestion healthy. Try switching white rice for brown rice a few times a week. Even small changes make a big difference. And yes, you still need healthy fats. Avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds protect your heart and brain. Sprinkle some seeds on your salad, or drizzle a bit of olive oil on steamed vegetables for extra flavor and nourishment. Now let's talk about water. Many seniors don't drink enough water simply because they don't feel thirsty. But staying hydrated keeps your organs working well, supports digestion, and helps avoid dizziness or confusion. Try keeping a water bottle nearby and sipping throughout the day. Herbal teas and light soups also count. Some seniors face challenges like dental problems or loss of appetite. If chewing is hard, try soft foods like smoothies, soups, or mashed vegetables. If you don't feel hungry, try eating smaller meals more often during the day. Remember, healthy eating doesn't mean boring meals. It means enjoying food that makes you feel energized, clear-headed, and alive. Try new recipes. Cook with a friend. Explore your local market for seasonal produce. If cooking feels too tiring, there are also helpful options like healthy meal delivery services or nutrition supplements made just for seniors. These can help fill the gaps when you're busy or on the go. In short, your body still needs care, and nutrition is one of the kindest gifts you can give it. Eating well isn't about restriction, it's about nourishment. It's about waking up with more strength, smiling more often, and feeling your best every day. So go ahead, add that splash of color to your plate. Cook something new. Eat with joy. Because every healthy bite adds life to your years. Lesson 5. Avoiding mental challenges, letting the brain age fast. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it stays. But after 60, many people slowly stop giving their brain the exercise it needs. Maybe they've retired from work, the daily routine has become quiet, or they've lost interest in trying new things. Over time, this lack of mental stimulation can cause your mind to slow down. Memory gets weaker. Focus becomes harder. And it's easy to feel confused or forgetful. But here's something truly uplifting. Your brain can stay sharp and active at any age if you keep it engaged. You're never too old to learn something new, to solve puzzles, or to enjoy a fresh hobby. In fact, keeping your brain challenged can protect you from cognitive decline and even reduce the risk of dementia. Avoiding mental challenges might seem harmless at first. After all, relaxing and enjoying quiet time feels good. But when the brain isn't used regularly, the connections between your brain cells begin to weaken. You might start forgetting names, misplacing items, or struggling to focus on tasks. This can lead to frustration, low confidence, and even emotional stress. The good news is that you don't need to become a scientist or read long textbooks to boost your brain power. Small, fun mental activities every day can work wonders. Let's explore some enjoyable and effective ways to keep your mind young. One of the easiest ways to challenge your brain is by doing puzzles. Crosswords, word searches, Sudoku, or even matching games are great options. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day keeps your brain alert and your memory sharp. You can find many of these in newspapers, books, or mobile apps made especially for seniors. Another great brain booster. Learn something new. It could be a new recipe, a simple craft, or even a new language. You don't have to master it, just enjoy the process. Learning stretches your brain in a healthy way and builds new connections. Many communities offer classes for seniors, from painting to gardening to computer basics. They're fun and social too. Reading is another wonderful habit. It's like food for your brain. Whether it's a novel, a magazine, or a short story, reading improves focus and vocabulary while keeping your imagination alive. Try setting aside 20 minutes each day for quiet reading time. If you enjoy music, try listening to different styles or even learn to play a musical instrument. Music has a powerful effect on the brain. It improves memory, mood, and even creativity. And if dancing is more your thing, that's a bonus. It exercises both your body and mind. Social interaction is also key. Chatting with friends, playing board games, or sharing stories with grandchildren stimulates your thinking. It also keeps you emotionally happy and connected. And let's not forget technology. There are many senior-friendly brain training apps designed to keep your mind active in fun ways. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference, and they're easy to use. Remember, just like walking keeps your body strong, mental activity keeps your mind alive. It's not about being perfect. It's about staying curious, creative, and connected to life. So take that small step today. Pick up a puzzle. Read a new book. Learn something fun. Let your brain stretch, grow, and smile. Because keeping your mind active isn't just about memory, it's about enjoying life with clarity, joy, and purpose. Conclusion: your health, happiness, and peace of mind after 60 matter more than ever. If even one of these lessons helped you reflect, smile, or feel hopeful, that's a step toward a better life. We'd truly love to hear from you. Which habit surprised you the most? Have you already started making changes? Or do you have your own tip to share with others? If you benefited from this video even a little, please share your feedback in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else today, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful and heartwarming content made just for you.